Have you ever wanted to blur the background of your videos to make them look more professional and eye-catching? What if I tell you that you don't need any sophisticated camera or the latest iPhone to be able to blur the background of your videos? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do just that using an amazing video editing app right on your smartphone. But before we dive into the tutorial, let me tell you why blurring the background can make a huge difference in your videos. When you blur the background, it helps focus the viewer's attention on the main subject, giving your videos a professional and visually appealing looks. Plus, it makes your video stand out from the rest. You can't beat that. Alright, now that we've known the importance of blurring the background of your video, let's get right into my phone. So I'll show you how to get this done. To get started with this, you need to get this app on your smartphone. The name of the app is CapCut. Just follow me step by step. You're going to get everything very easy and simple. So let's get started. How do you get the CapCut app? Go to your Google Play Store, go to your App Store and download the CapCut app. All right, so I'll just type in CapCut here, CapCut, and once you see this is it here, it's going to show this is CapCut here, right here on my screen. This is CapCut. It's asking me to update. In your own case, if you don't have it in your phone already, it's going to ask you to download it. So I'm not going to update it now. Let's just get into the tutorial. So now that you have the CapCut app downloaded in your phone, once you tap on the CapCut app, it's going to bring you to this interface. Even if your interface doesn't look like mine, you're still going to see new project. Okay, where I want you to go is new project. So tap on new project. Once you tap on new project, you'll be able to import a video. So I want to import a video, the current video you saw now. I'm just going to import it, and then have you ever wanted to blur the background of your video? So just go ahead and then click on add here. Okay, we click on add. It's going to come in here. Now I want you to follow me step by step. Once the video is here, what you are going to do now, I want to say that CapCut has a lot of amazing features that you can explore. All right, but I'm not going to be talking about the features here. I'm just going to be talking about how you can use this CapCut to blur the background of your video. But then if you want me to do a video on how to use the CapCut app to edit your videos, you can let me know in the comments. Okay, drop it, let me know in the comments that you want me to do a video on how to use the CapCut app to edit, then I'll do that. So once you come in here, what I want you to do is to tap on the video. All right, tap on this video as it's here now. Tap on it. Okay, now that you have tapped on it, you're going to see this block sign, this white thing that have covered it. That means you've selected the video. So what I want you to do is to scroll through here. Okay, scroll through below my screen. You can see me moving my hand. So I want you to scroll through this place. So I will scroll, keep scrolling. What we are looking for is copy. So this is copy right here. So once you've gotten copy, just tap on copy. If you tap on it, what will happen is that this video is going to copy. Look at the second one, look at the first one. All right, this is the first one we imported and we have copied it. It's now this one. So what I want you to do is to go back to the beginning. Just slide the screen to the beginning. All right, go back to the beginning of the video. Now that you have gotten to the beginning of the video, what I want you to do again is to tap on effect. Now you don't need to tap on the video. Okay, don't tap on the video right now. Just click on anywhere. I'm just going to click on this empty space. Click on the empty space and everything is going to be okay. If you look, you're not seeing anything here showing that this video is not selected, but our cursor, our pointer is right here. I hope you can see it. So once you are here, all I need you to go to is to effect. Go to effect, click on effect, and then you are going to see video effects, body effects, photo effects. Go to video effect. I want you to click on video effect. What we want to use is lens. Under lens, I want you to go to video effects, then you look for lens. Okay, look for lens. If you can't see lens in your own, just go under basic. Okay, if you can't see lens, go under basic, look for basic. So now this is lens here. Click on lens, and under lens you're going to look for blur. Okay, as I'm looking for it now, I'm looking for blur. So this is blur right here. Once you see blur, tap on blur. All right, as you tap on blur, you're going to see it affect the video. Don't worry, just tap on this blur again, tap on the blur again, tap on it again, so you'll be able to adjust the blur. Okay, so if you want this blur, how you want it, you're going to adjust it from here. You can either tap on this and move it to the end. So I'll just move this. I like to keep it, you can either leave it on the 50 or just move it a bit forward. Just adjust it to how you like it. Okay, now it's on 61. Look at the effect, how it's appearing on the video. Now let me just put it on 70. All right, let me put it on 70, and then once you are through with this adjustment, come to this good here, click on the good, and the effect is going to appear here. You're seeing the blur here. So what I want you to do is to tap at this edge here. Look at the screen so you see what I'm doing. Tap at this edge, tap on it. You want to extend it to the end of the first video, okay. Let's I'm doing that now. So this is where this the first video ends. You're going to see the demarcation sign. This is it here. It ends here. So that's where we want to stop this blur extension. We want to stop it at the first video. That is where it's going to end. Okay, so now that it has gotten to the end of the first video, what do you want to do now? You will come to the second video. When you come to the second video, I want you to tap on it. All right, tap on the second video. Tap on it to highlight it. Now you see that the second video is selected. So what I want you to do is to scroll through the features here again. So we are going to scroll through it, Now what I want you to go to is on cutout. Go to cutout here, scroll through and look for cutout. Once you've seen cutout, click on cutout and then click on remove background. Click on it and then you're going to see it. The background is going to remove from here. Look at it here. It's counting. Remove background is on 2%. Just allow it to remove the background. Okay, just allow it to remove the background. Is doing that already. So I'm going to pause this video. Once the background is finished removing, you will proceed to the next thing. So let's allow this to remove the background. All right, it's done now. You see background removed. So the background has been removed. Now you have to tap on the empty space, to unselect. All right, okay, so the background has been removed. After removing the background, what you have to do, tap on the second video to highlight it, to select it. Now once it is selected, come to this our feature area now below the screen and scroll through. What you'll be looking at for is overlay. This is overlay here. So tap on overlay. Once you tap on overlay, it's going to come to the bottom of the screen. All right, it's going to move from up here to the bottom here. Now when it moves from up to the bottom, just tap on any empty space here around the video and it's going to unselect. Now I want you to hard click on this video that we have put under here. Look at it, this video, this second one that we brought down. Hard click on it. Now when you hard click on it, you move it to the beginning of the first video. This is what I'm doing now. I'm moving it to the beginning of the first video. Move it till you get to the very beginning of the first video. Now it is done. Now it is at the beginning of the very first video. Now we want to play. So you see how the blur effect has applied. Look at it here. Have you ever wanted to blur the background of your video? So I believe you can see the effects. Look at it. Look at how clean it's looking. It has affected the, to make them more professional.
You can no longer see the background.
You can no longer see the background very clearly. It has now been blurred. Okay, so everything behind there is now blurred. You see how beautiful this is looking. So you can get started trying this out for your video and you are going to really enjoy it. And there you have it. You have learned how to blur the background of your videos using CapCut right on your smartphone. Now you can create professional videos that will keep your audience glued to your screen. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give me a like this video and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials just like this one. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, do well to leave them in the comment sections down below. I love reading from you and creating videos that you like. All right, thank you for watching and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.